Unit 5. The poem is Trees Are Lovely. Exercise D. Listening and speaking. Say it aloud. Try to finish the nursery rhyme above. Two lines are missing, then say it clearly a few times. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with spoon. Composition. Talk about the words below. Write your own story. There are words and the picture is also here. So we have to complete the story by using these words. Let's start the story. So here I wrote story for you. A child was fishing in a small boat. He lived with his father near the river. He used to go with his father for fishing every day into the wide river. But one day the boy went alone, or you can say he went alone without his father to catch the fish. After catching the fish, when he was returning back from the river, it started a horrific storm there. A big wind blew the boat away. Blew away mean boat को बहा कर ले जाना. A man who was standing at the bank of the river, bank कहते हैं किनारे को, he shouted to see the child in trouble. This man called the rescue team. The rescue team came immediately and saved the child. The child went to home and promised his father that he never will go without his elder's permission.